Hey folks, George Cabezas here. My phone number is 786-269-8063. Today I want to show you a property that's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, okay? It's in a beautiful community. It's a new construction. I have contact with new construction companies where we pay your closing costs, buy down your rate, and more. So give me a call if you're interested, 786-269-8063. I worked south of Miami area. Okay, so let's look at this property. Thank you. Okay, folks, so this property is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms. It's got a little apartment on the side, and it's a 2-story home. Okay, so let's look at the property as you go in. Look how beautiful this is decorated. It's amazing the job that they do in decorations. So right here, there's an apartment which has its own entrance. Okay, look how beautiful it looks. Wow, I'd love to live in a place like this. Look at that. Look at that, folks. You could use this as an office, as a master suite. You can rent it out if you wanted to because it's got its own side entrance. Okay. It's got its own bathroom. Look at that. Wow. Nice chandelier. And like I said, it's got its own entrance, which is great. For in-laws, if you want to rent it out, whatever you want to do with it. So this is the foyer. How nice, wow. And look at that open kitchen. Wow. So the square footage is about 2,900 and some more square feet. It's a big house. A little pantry here. We have a 2-car garage. And we're gonna go upstairs, folks. Oh, almost forgot to tell you, it's got the half bathroom here for the guests. Okay. So let's go upstairs. Time for me to do a little bit of exercise, which is good for you, by the way. Always have to walk. You have to exercise, folks. It's good for you. So we have a bedroom here. Okay. It's closet. Full bathroom. No closet here. For your laundry room. Washer and dryer is going to go there. Bedroom here. And then here, we have the master bedroom. Look how big. Wait till you see this closet, folks. You can live in this closet. Look how big that thing is. I'd say it's about 300 square feet, maybe. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Look at this beautiful bathroom. This is her sink. Huge shower. Your toilet there. We're gonna go downstairs so you can see what the yard looks like. Okay. Okay, folks, so we're gonna see what the yard looks like. You have storm shutters. Okay, that nice. Nice big 2-story home. Okay, So like I said, we'll pay your closing costs. My contacts with the builders help do that. Also bite down your rate, and please, give me a call if you're interested. 786-269-8063. Also, please like and share. All right. Thank you very much for watching my video. George Cabezas.